rage on that beat, going crazy.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm just going to show you a quick step aerobics routine that I put together. Step aerobics has all the benefits of a high intensity cardio workout without putting stress on your joints. It improves your overall fitness by building strength, reducing fat, and boosting your cardiovascular health. Step aerobics also burns a lot of calories, making it an ideal workout for weight loss. Step aerobic movements targets your upper body, your legs, as well as your core. It also helps with building your strength and flexibility. Step aerobics also improves your balance, agility, as well as your coordination. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more just like it, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Be sure to share my videos with your family and friends. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more workout videos. Thanks for watching. 2, 1. Most gyms have step aerobic risers available. If you would like to purchase one for at-home use, I purchased mine from titanfitness.com. I will leave a link down below in the description box. And of course, if you're having trouble finding these step aerobic risers, you can always check out Amazon. I will leave a link down below as well in the description box.